Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into top-tier products that truly deliver on their promises. Today, we're bringing you the best RV cover on the market, the heavy-duty travel trailer RV cover by VildVandring, specifically for 30 to 33-foot trailers. If you're looking for the best RV cover waterproof all season, this is it. Let's get into what makes this cover a must-have for any RV owner. The first thing that stands out is the construction quality. VildVandring went above and beyond by using 8 layers of reinforced, high-density 200 GSM, 400D material. This isn't your average tarp. This is a rip-stop, waterproof fortress for your RV. The material is designed to withstand all weather conditions, from the blazing sun of summer to harsh snow and ice in winter. And thanks to its UPF 50+ ultraviolet protection, your RV's exterior stays protected from harmful UV rays, fading, and cracking. Now let's talk design. This cover is loaded with thoughtful touches that show it's engineered with real RV users in mind. The rear roll-up door is a game changer. Instead of removing the entire cover just to access the back of your trailer, you can simply roll it up. Whether you're loading gear, checking systems, or prepping for a trip, it saves time and effort. That convenience alone makes this cover stand out. Ventilation is another area where this cover excels. Depending on the size, you'll get between 6 and 14 strategically placed air vents. These allow continuous airflow under the cover, preventing moisture buildup and reducing heat inside the trailer during long storage periods. That means no more worrying about mold, mildew, or trapped heat damaging your interior. Installation is also straightforward, thanks to the included windproof straps and reinforced stitching. Once it's on, it stays on. The straps keep it snug even during high winds, and extra tie-downs are included for added security. The universal fit ensures it wraps tightly around trailers of various shapes and styles, while also accommodating rooftop AC units and hitches. The dimensions of the box are approximately 20.5 by 17.3 by 16.1 inches, and it weighs just over 38 pounds, manageable for most users. This particular model fits travel trailers from 30 to 33 feet, but VildVandring offers options for RVs ranging from 14 all the way up to 40 feet. No matter the size of your rig, there's a cover tailored for it. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the main RV cover, tire covers, gutter covers, adhesive repair patches, and additional straps. It's a complete protection kit in one package. VildVandring has been in the automotive accessories game since 1997, and their reputation shows in the quality of this product. Headquartered in the UK, they've built a global customer base by focusing on safety, durability, and real-world performance. When you buy from them, you're not just getting a product, you're getting decades of expertise packed into every stitch. This cover delivers superior protection, smart design, and long-term durability, making it perfect for anyone serious about preserving their RV in top condition year-round. If you're looking for the most reliable all-season RV cover, this is the one you want. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our deep dives into the best products out there. Until next time, protect your gear and keep rolling.